Christina Rodriguez of Diva by Design. Today is day 12 of 100 Days of Design and Feng Shui, and I thought I'd talk to you about what to do with that long, narrow room. Rectangles and squares are the most used shape in architecture and design, and the reason for that is because they're very easy to arrange in a space, and also they conserve more space than, say, a round shape or an octagon shape. When you have a long, narrow room, it's really easy to push all the furniture up against the walls on either side and then be done. But then you have a bowling alley effect. And the problem with this is that when people walk through, they're walking right through the middle of your conversations, or they're blocking the TV as they go by. So what do? You break it up into smaller seating areas. An easy way to do that is to get 2 area rugs and build seating areas around both of the rugs, one at one end and one at the other. And the rugs don't have to match, but it's good to make them have at least one element that makes them go together, like color. And when you move your furniture away from the walls, don't forget to leave a walkway. And if your area rug is big enough, make sure it's big enough. Err on the side of big instead of small. That way, when you're walking through the walkway, if your area rug is in the walkway, both feet go across that rug and you don't trip. And instead of having too many large pieces of furniture, add in some smaller pieces. Like, instead of getting a big sofa, get 2 love seats instead. You can also use upholstered ottomans and have extra seating for when guests comes over. And if you want to add interest to a long, narrow, rectangle shaped room, use a round coffee table, use round side tables, add in the different shapes so that everything doesn't become a rectangle like I talked about before, and then it's a snooze fest.